Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have shiny cotton material. After folding it to 2, the measurement is 20.5 inches by 25 inches. It's just a simple balloon sleeve. I will leave about 10 inches here. I will draw gather on this part. This is where I will sew on the armhole. This place is where I will sew on the armhole. After drawing gather on this part, I will sew here on the shoulder. I will mark straight. I'm also going to draw gather on this place. The round sleeve I'm going to use is 11 inches. So I will cut here. I will notch the center just like I notch here. So I'm going to draw gather on this part and on this part, so it will come this way. Round sleeve on the half part is 11 inches here. 11 inches. After I draw gather on this part, I'm going to have 11 inches on the round sleeve. So for the bottom round sleeve, I will use 9 inches for the bottom round sleeve, but the half round sleeve, the one to sew here, the one I'm going to sew here is 11 inches. I fold into 2 because I'm going to lining this one. I fold again to give me into 4. I measure 7.5 inches. 11 inches divided by 2 is 5.5 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Then the down part round sleeve is 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5 inches plus 1 inch to sew. So this for one sleeve. I will sew this one here. It's going to be like this. I'm going to use my machine to make gather on the bottom here and on top. This is how big the sleeve is. I'm going to make gather on this part, the middle round sleeve and the top, which I'm going to sew on the shoulder. I sewed 3 lines. You can see the lines 1, 2, 3. You can sew 2 lines, but I just decided to sew 3 lines. I like when I'm making gather, I sew 3 lines. I pick the 3 thread together. Just pick the 3 together and start to draw. I'm going to sew this. There's the center. I will look for the center, which is here. This is where I notch, and this is where I notch the center. I place together and I will hold with pin. Then I will start my sewing. So what I will do is to bring this way and measure 4.5 inches. Four and a half inches. I'm done. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share this video to friends and loved ones. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. You'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.